Welcome to episode 8 of Lexoween. I am so excited to do this makeup look today because this is my favorite Disney princess of all time. I absolutely love Ariel. She is the best. She is my favorite of all time. First thing I'm going to do is do spot check with this e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and it's in the shade Fair Warm. For foundation, I'm using the Sassy Chick BB Beauty Benefit Cream in the shade Light Warm. I'm going to conceal in the same one from before. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to take the Coty S1 Face Loose Powder in Translucent Extra Coverage. For the eyebrows, I'm actually going to be making them red today. I normally don't do red eyebrows because I don't have red hair, but we are going to try that. So I'm just brushing through my eyebrows and giving them the shape that my eyebrows are. I'm going to go into the Impressed Use Beauty Glazed palette and take this red shade and doing my eyebrows. And set them in place with this NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. Okay, so now I'm just going to outline where I want the scales to be. So I want some right here on my cheek, and then I also want some coming from right here to right there. I did that because I want to know where I'm going to contour, because that is the next step I'm going to do. I'm going to take the LA Colors I Love Makeup palette and use this shade right here. Instead of baking, I'm just going to press some powder into my skin. Now for eyeshadow, it's just a really simple with some browns, light browns though. So I'm going to go into this metallicized eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's just a couple shades of brown. To take this shade as the crease color. I'm going to take this shade as the transition color. To take a flat brush and mix this pink and gold shade together. The color, I'm going to use this Smashbox metallic eye palette and take Let's Rage, which is this gold shade. I'm also going to be taking the Revolution palette, so dynamic, and using the white shade just to lighten it up a little bit. Roll the lashes. And the mascara, so I'm using the LA Colors Hourglass Volume Lash Mascara, as well as the Curve Wowie Lash Mascara. I'm going to do the blush in the Shiny Blush palette, and I'm using this pink shade right here. And for highlight, I'm going to go into this Ditto Venus palette. Take Venus and Mars. I'm going to be filling in those spots that I marked, and I'm going to be mixing purple, blue, and the sea green. Do little scale looking marks. This side. Now what I'm going to do is apply some liquid latex around right here. Taking some tissue, applying that with the latex. What I'm doing is making it look like my skin is coming up. Now what you do is you add some foundation to it. I'm just going to take a brush and apply it on. And then I'm just going to set it with some setting powder. And normally you would add fake blood right here, but I cannot seem to find my fake blood anywhere. What you are going to want to do is put some black right here. Where the opening is at. I'm just going to take a flat brush and add different shades of browns and reds. And add that on top of where you put the foundation, just to make it look more bloody. So add some brown. And then normally if you had fake blood, you would add it on top of it and it would look a million times cooler. I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did to this side and add it to this side. But before I do that, I used the black in the Impressive Beauty Glaze palette, and then I mixed this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade. And then for the browns, I just used these two. I'm going to do that to this side as well. And then we will move on to the next step. I forgot the most important step was to put foundation on the tissue. So now these two don't match. But it's okay, I just make it a little bit darker. I only have 2 more steps to do, which is the lashes and the lipstick. Well, let's do the lashes. Ariel really doesn't have long lashes, so I'm going to be taking these Ioni 3D Fox Mink lashes, and these are the natural light wispy shade. I got these at the dollar store. I really like these lashes because they look like false lashes. Not like these are false lashes, but like when you like go and get them done like eyelash extensions, and it makes the eyes look really, really pretty. Like, these lashes are so pretty. This liquid long wearing lipstick in the shade Chihuahua. Into this Little Venus palette limited edition, and take Callisto and just dab that on. And I'm also going to take the red from the Changeable Fantasy palette right here and add that as well. So it's not too much of a maroon, ew, maroon color. Well, I am done with the makeup. If you have red hair or have a red wig, this would look totally cute on you, I promise. I really, 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 really love how this turned out. I did not think it was going to turn out like this, but it did. I'm so in love with this makeup look. It's like so beautiful. I did Ariel the Little Mermaid with a little bit of a twist, of course, because what's Halloween without a twist? It's spooky season, you already know, you have to get all creative and fun with your makeup. I love doing special effects makeup, like it's literally the funnest thing ever. That's why I love doing the Lexoween series. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit the subscribe button so you guys can see more wonderful makeup looks such as this. Trust me, I have so much in store for you guys. You guys have no idea the upcoming videos I have planned for you guys. They're going to be absolutely amazing, I promise you. So make sure you hit that bell after you subscribe so you are notified when I do post those videos. I post every Sunday and Wednesday. You guys go follow my TikTok, which is queen_Alexia_YT, to see more of these looks. See you guys next time. Bye.